Hi everyone, this video is going to go over some changes coming to Techforce Pro and how customers are managed. Currently, when you go into one of your customer floor plans here, so I'll go into this floor plan, when you go in and add, I'm going to edit the plan, when you add actual floor plans or actual wiring diagrams to a floor plan, you're adding a reference to the actual diagram. So in this case I have 4 double door systems I added. I went to add system and I added sample double door lock system. I add 4 of those in place. If I were to go in and actually change one of them, so if I changed one of these double door with lock systems, it would change across to all of them. So what you'd have to do if you want each system to be unique, you would have to actually create main entrance double door system, back entrance double door system, and then put them on the floor plan. So the previous workflow was first you make the diagram, then you add them to the floor plan. We changed that workflow around quite a bit. So now what you'll be seeing later this week, when you add a system diagram to a floor plan, each one is its own diagram now. So you see here I have these sample double door lock systems, and there's 4 of them here, so I can click on them. You see there's 4 of them. But if I go into this one right here, if I click on it, it takes me to that diagram, and now let's say I edit the description, we'll call it main entrance. Now if I go back to the floor plan, you see that double door system now is 3 of them, and now there's this new system called main entrance. So main entrance, by changing the name, it will make it its own line item, and I can call it something else. This allows me, what you just saw here is I went and I just changed one of them and it did not affect the rest of them. So now what you can do is you can make a set of wiring diagrams that are kind of your general purpose single door, double door, electrical closet. You can put them on the customer's floor plan and then at a later date come back in and specially customize each individual one. Also, if you have a future service call, when I go into a job, so this customer has a job with a door controller, if I go into this main entrance now, you can see here's the main entrance on the floor plan, but if I go and edit the system diagram, it's not going to affect any other system diagrams. So your technician can go in and modify a diagram, add a part, and that all gets updated real time back to that customer. So when I go into the sample customer, if I added a part to one of the doors, the list would update. Now, one way to really see this happening is on the customer or on your systems page. Whenever you add a customer, so when I go to the Our Customers page and I make a new customer, when I add a customer into the system, it makes a folder for that customer's. So here's the sample customer I made. It makes a folder of that customer's name. Every time you add a floor plan or add a wiring diagram to that customer's floor plan, it goes in the folder. So here is the folder for all of those system diagrams. So each one is its own diagram. They automatically get placed in the customer's folder for you. So a good way to manage your system diagrams is to first make your general purpose, your diagrams that will be used all over the place, and then when you put them on a floor plan, go in and customize them one at a time.